quería de Obamacare, ¿verdad? Sí. Okay, la información.
After explaining it as many as 30 times a day for the past 2 months, Rachel Vargas knows the Affordable Care Act well.
El Bronx es el más barato, ma'am.
And what the people seeking her help at Nuestra Clínica del Valle, a state community health center in FAR, need.
They're 50s and 40s. They're scared of the internet. And I tell them how old I am. I said, I'm way up there. And it's a piece of cake.
To complete Step 1 on healthcare.gov, applicants must have an email address. But only about half of all Americans who make $25,000 to $30,000 a year use email. That, according to a report released last year by the Texas Health and Human Services Commission. In the Valley, where some of the poorest, sickest Texans live, internet access can be hard to come by. Many residents can't afford it or might live in a dead zone along the river that doesn't get service.
El físico de cada año.
That's made paper applications the popular choice among those signing up at the clinics. But even then, an email address is still required. Vargas says a good part of her day is spent creating email accounts for people.
Usted tiene una email address?
Guadalupe Rodriguez has an email address, but can't remember it. So she plans to come back another day to complete her application, especially upon learning she qualifies for subsidies. Rodriguez, a healthcare worker herself, has never had health insurance. She's always sought medical care across the border.
Now we're going to have our own doctors and all that, and I don't have to go over there in Mexico.
El Estado le va a contactar, ¿verdad?, por teléfono.
30 miles east in Harlingen at Su Clínica, Julio Santana III, a certified application counselor, says that in the 60-plus days since enrollment opened, he signed up just one person using healthcare.gov. And while Santana says a paper application can take as long as an hour to complete, he prefers it.
Paper doesn't lie. It is what it is. You know, you write down what it is, you submit it, and it's good as gold.
But once healthcare.gov is running smoothly, counselors look forward to regularly signing applicants up online to expedite the process.
Ya nomás traiga su email address, es muy importante.
Reporting in the Rio Grande Valley, this is ALANA ROCHA with the Texas Tribune.